I don't know if it's the Asian in me, but I wish I had rice. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for joining me today on my daily vlog. And today, I don't feel like cooking for y'all. So we're gonna go out and eat, and I'm actually in the mood for barbecue. I want good smoked Memphis, Tennessee type barbecue food, you know? So there's this spot in the Audubon called Smoke. We've been there one time and it was really good. I got the brisket, my wife got the ribs. It was delicious. And today I'm in the mood for chicken wings. I want smoked chicken wings. So I went ahead and brought my own hot sauce right in a Ziploc bag. I have to clear my throat. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. I'm not gonna be cooking. You're gonna crash. Stop laughing at me. We have to do takes. That's what YouTube vloggers do. Hey guys, thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. Today I'm not gonna be cooking for y'all, all right? I don't feel like cooking today, all right? I actually wanna eat some good barbecue food, so we're gonna eat out. I'm in the mood for some good barbecue food. There's a spot called Smoke in Audubon. They smoke all their food fresh, all fresh in the bag. They got like many like different type of sauces, but me being a hot saucer myself, their hot sauce, we went there one time and their hot sauce wasn't hot enough. So I went ahead and brought my own hot sauce right in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna show them how we do it. This spot is like one of a kind, like there's really no spots like this around. And I'm actually kind of happy, really happy that they have barbecue like this. What New York has is one spot where they serve you just barbecue. And this is like similar to that. And they have a nice, the inside is really nice. They have an outside place too where you can eat when it's nice out too. Tear this food up, let me tell you, I'm starving right now. The past week or so, my wife made this bomb-ass lasagna. Yo, shout out to the wife. Shout out to your lasagna. Your lasagna was so good, we ate that for like 2 weeks. It was really good. And hopefully you can make it again. Oh, Cambodians do. We keep food around forever. That lasagna was good. It was a turkey lasagna. The sauce is really sweet. Damn, I should have vlogged about that. Next time I'm gonna do a recipe video for y'all. Actually, I can't because it's our recipe, okay? Back off, back off. All right, you're gonna make a right on Merchant right here. It's such a beautiful day out. The place is right here in the corner. See, there's like a hog sign. I watched this episode last night of Mark Wiens. He went to Laos. Tearing up the damn food, man. Yeah. Eating up all the damn sticky rice. Man, I love Mark Wiens. I'm about to walk up to the spot, to the Spizzot. They better be open.
Hey there, how are you? The chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's brined, dry rubbed, and smoked. For your pleasure. The ghost pepper for you.
Ooh, the ghost pepper.
The ghost pepper.
So they got their own sauces here. Got the house sauce, mustard sauce, vinegar, and espresso. Let's do the house. Let's try this out. Espresso. Thank you. Wings right here. Ooh, wow, look at that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Thank you. Can you see it? This looks crazy good. This looks crazy. I'm gonna try out the baked beans first. Beans are cooked really well. Nice and sweet. Tanginess to it. Fresh. I think there's just like green peppers in here.
Yes, from yesterday to today, quite a difference.
Very savory.
What a difference a day makes.
They're 74
A variety of
The Brussels sprouts.
You know, 4 kinds of meat. Are you a spicy fan? You like
So I'm here to finger move on the head
And these are the right
That was good too.
on. Your C is in the bag.
So this is the ghost pepper. Let's try out his ghost pepper.
Great. I hope he enjoys it. Yeah, you will. Thanks. Take care. You bet.
Yeah, I'll get back to you once I get that. Hi.
Ooh, them wings are smoky. Very good. You can taste the herbs and spices off of it.
Oh man, that
Wings
was the
are-
last time you were here, didn't
The
it?
dry rub.
The dry rub is just seasoned really nice on the wings. Just not overpowering at all.
Sorry.
And the sauce is actually pretty good. It has a little kick to it. It has a little kick to it, but it ain't my hot sauce.
Yeah, I just looked at it too because I knew you ordered ribs. Half wraps, right? $15.46.
These wings are fire. How's yours? It's good. It's all about that dry rub, baby.
Here you go. And sign with your finger.
I guess they give you a pickle to clean your palate or something. I don't know. We're gonna try the house sauce this time.
Yes. Yes.
Two turkey breast platters. Okay.
Now that house sauce,
No, it's not you. It's
Sliced or chopped.
it has me kind of stumped on what type of sauce that is. The house sauce. Vinegar.
Okay. Anything else? 59. And that's to go.
Oh, it tastes like there's like saffron in it, either saffron or cumin.
I don't eat saffron like that.
It tastes like cumin to me.
Here you go. Your food will be out shortly.
enjoying the sunshine and snow.
At the Mad Dog, I'm gonna mix that into the ghost pepper and enjoy myself. He said he's gonna have his son try it. Let's kick it up a notch. Bam. All you need is one drop with this. That's it.
I also want to get 2 burgers.
This is the espresso sauce.
Okay.
Very black peppery. Huh?
What is it?
Espresso?
Espresso.
Espresso?
Yeah.
That's 6 wings.
Like very peppery.
I try.
Nice
This
salt.
one?
Yeah.
No, everything here is smoked. I wrote this one.
The wings are like perfectly smoked. Right? Very
cool.
Very
Yeah.
peppery. Every bite of these wings is like a smokiness to it. That espresso is a really good sauce.
Alright.
So I went ahead and mixed my sauce with their sauce. Let's see how hot it is. You ready for this? Their sauce has like a mustardy flavor. The ghost pepper sauce has like a honey mustard in there. I don't know if it's the Asian in me, but I wish I had rice. I'm ready for bed. I got the itis. Man, let me tell you something about this spot. Definitely a spot for you to take you and your family to if you want good barbecue food. So there's a great comfort food place for you to bring the family. The food was delicious. The wings were just seasoned really right. I don't know what else to tell you, but just come here. Make sure you mention my name. Be like, yo, I saw this guy JL. I saw his vlog. So it made me want to come over here and eat, you know? That's all we have for today. I'm about to go home and go to sleep for like 10 million days. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video, share the video. Let me know, leave a comment. But please subscribe, man. Help a brother out, all right? Help me out.